your East Texas Storm Team forecast with Chief Meteorologist Carson Vickroy.
The sunshine from yesterday and Tuesday has now moved out and the rain has moved back in. Here's a look at the flood watch that goes until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and that's really for areas along into the south of Interstate 20. But I am primarily focused on the shower and thunderstorms that we have unfolding in deep East Texas right now. Most of East Texas at least seeing a steady widespread rain, so I think plans are probably out the window for this evening, especially if you live further to the south. Here's a look at Angelina County. We don't have a lot of heavy rain in the area. As a matter of fact, I wouldn't be surprised if we are seeing breaks in the rain from Huntington to Zavala on Highway 69 there. But the heavier rain, it's beginning to move into Trinity County. As a matter of fact, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning that includes Trinity, but really does not include any other portion of Trinity County. But be on alert if you live in Trinity. You live in Groveton, Lacey, Centerville, Apple Springs, Center Point, the community of Friday in western Trinity County, because we are monitoring this storm and it is severe with the potential of flash flooding, maybe some small hail and gusty winds. It also has some broad rotation in it that would not warrant a tornado warning, but it is definitely something notable in the thunderstorm. Now further off to the north, as I mentioned before, Tyler and Longview, you're seeing a steady rain with the occasional flash of lightning or a clap of thunder. That's certainly been the case over the last few hours, and we'll probably see a couple more hours of showers and thunderstorms. So this is 5 o'clock this evening, so not too far from right now. Along into the south of Interstate 20, that's the best chance of rain, and please be careful, especially if you are driving back home from work on any of the back roads we might have, because we could see some ponding on those roads and maybe a little bit of flooding as well. As we head towards 11 o'clock, maybe a little break in the activity, but we'll continue to watch a few thunderstorms through deep East Texas through midnight tonight, and then a front's going to approach us from the west, but this thing is going to be slow walked until about tomorrow afternoon, and as a result of that, we should have enough lift from the front to spark off a few thunderstorms. Watch this. A couple of showers and thunderstorms early tomorrow afternoon. They quickly jet off to the north, and then this front's going to move through. It's not going to provide us with a drop in the temperatures, but it will stabilize the atmosphere just in time for the weekend. Level 2 slight risk for portions of deep East Texas. That goes to a level 3 enhanced further to the south where the tornado threat's a bit greater. But as we look at the rainfall totals themselves, I do expect an additional 1 to 5 inches of rain in deep East Texas, which is not something we need, and unfortunately I do expect some flash flooding to occur because of that in deep East Texas. 65 tonight. We will see those storm chances taper off at about midnight or just after. 83 degrees tomorrow afternoon, tracking that isolated chance of a couple of showers and thunderstorms. Let's get you to your 7-day. We're dry this weekend. Again, the front moves through. That gives us the sinking air that is needed to provide sunshine. This trend will continue into next week. Our next chance of rain, surprise, surprise, is going to be next Thursday. And then as we look at deep East Texas, similar deal, better rain chances tomorrow, but we're dry this weekend. For the latest weather forecast, you can head on over to KETK.com.